beautiful people, it is great to have you back here again. Today I will show you some glam style home decor, precisely how to make high-end home decor with straws and skewers. My name is Nara G and welcome to my nook. But first, if you are new to my channel, I'd love if you can hit that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Let's get into it. So for this glam style home decor or glam home decor for Christmas, we will need some nice round mirrors. I got these from Michael on sale for $5, and these I got from the dollar store, and this is 10 inches. I'll be using this for the starburst, and also the cylinders from the Dollar Tree for $1.25 each. I'll be using both of them, and of course some straws and skewers, as well as some tumbling blocks. I'll only be needing 4 of this for support, and also some Mardi Gras beads and some embellishments. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to use the embellishments, and of course this foam board. So let's get into it. First up will be our decorative tray DIY. This is a very easy DIY, and it will make for a very good budget friendly DIY. So decorating on a budget, or apartment decorating ideas on a budget 2020, add that to the list. I am using the foam board as additional support for our round mirror tray, and also to increase the size of the weed so that I can easily attach the straws to it. So I will use my hot glue gun to glue the mirror tray onto the foam board before I continue with this DIY. This is a Z Gallery inspired DIY mirror or decorative tray DIY. So watch as I do this. Okay, so now I went ahead to cut off the straws in my desired length before actually using my hot glue to attach these to the tray. So watch as I do this. Keep in mind, this is a drinking straw craft ideas video, or better still, drinking straw home decor DIY. So you can add this to your list of drinking straw DIY ideas. I then went ahead to glue 4 tumbling blocks underneath the tray for additional support, and also to give the tray an elevated look. So just watch as I complete this. Now that the mirror tray is all set, I will go ahead to glue the straws around the tray. I cut out the straws in 3 different lengths, which I will be alternating as I go. So just watch as I complete this. This is the perfect and easy DIY glam home decor, which you can easily incorporate into your interior room decorating or coffee table decorating ideas 2020. So make sure to add this to the list of your decorating on the budget 2020, and why not 2021, and for many years to come. I am marking my cutoff points to make sure both sides are even. So please keep watching as I complete this. Thank you. Keep in mind, you can do whatever pattern that suits you best, and you don't necessarily have to do what I am doing. So I am doing this right now to make sure that the glue sticks very well or perfectly to the straws, and then I will proceed to doing the other side. So keep watching. So I've actually had these straws sitting around at my place for a while now, and we don't really use it, so I thought, why discard them? Maybe I should do something with it. And that's how I came about the idea of the charger plate last week. If you didn't watch my last week video on how to make high-end wall decor using charger plates, the link is right above right now. So I came about that, and from that I kind of like thought, oh, I can actually make more. So here we are, and I am showing you how to make high-end home decor with straws. And in this series we are actually making some glam decorative tray DIYs, as well as some decorative candle holders. So next up will be our candle holder makeover. Meanwhile, let's continue with this. So I am using the Mardi Gras beads to cover the areas where I did not use straws, especially the foam board, and also to add some flair to it. And then I will go ahead to add a bead one by one at the top of the tallest straws on each side. So just watch as I complete this. I actually thought to apply this to all of the tips of the straws, but on second thought I felt it was going to look too much, but that is just me. So I settled to doing this using just the tallest one. Once I was done doing that, I went ahead to use some aluminum foil and some painter's tape to cover the mirror areas before spray painting it gold, making sure to take out every air bubble and not leaving any parts uncovered. So just watch as I complete this. And as per usual, if you have watched right up to this point, I would love it if you can comment straws in the comment section. Thank you. So I am using metallic gold spray to spray this over, and once I was done, I actually went ahead to cover it with clear glaze for protective layer. Once that was complete and dry to perfection, I went ahead to take that off, and our Glam Decorative Tray DIY is set. So look at this, guys. I really love it. I just love it. Simple, easy to do. So this is a very easy DIY craft with straws. So make sure to try this and let me know in the comments section if this is something that you will be trying sometime. I love that this is so versatile. It can be used on your coffee table, it can be used in your bedroom, it can be used in your bathroom, on your countertop, and you can decorate it however you want. You can use candles, flowers, you name it. So still on our glam style home decor, I thought to do a candle holder makeover to match our decorative tray DIY, because that will bring all together. I just thought to make a set out of it, and that is why we're making a set of 3: the tray, the candle holders, and the wall mirror. So now we're doing the decorative candle holders to go with the tray that we just created. So watch as I do this. For this candle holder makeover, I am not following any particular pattern like I did for the mirror tray. So I'm just using the leftovers of the tray to create this. And I am not going in any particular order or pattern again, like I said, because I just wanted it to look unique and not too organized, you know, because the tray is already giving us that. So why not just play around with this one and have fun while you get creative. So watch as I complete this. There are so many ways you can actually go about this. You can do it from the top, bottom, like I just did, so I'm doing top and bottom. You can do the center, horizontally, vertically. It is all up to you. Just play around it, have fun, be creative, and do you. Like I always say, there's no rule book to this, guys. So have fun. So once I was done putting the straws around each face, I went ahead to use some paper and also paper tape to actually block out the areas I do not want to spray gold before spray painting it. Again, I choose to do this route because I know you're wondering, why did I not spray paint this before applying them to the vase? That is because I do not want the webs that is created or formed from the glue to mess up my craft. So I rather put them on and then spray paint them after for a perfect finished look. And voila! So I went ahead to take off the papers, of course, and there, our very easy DIY craft with straws is ready, specifically our candle holder makeover to match our decorative tray DIY. Look at that, guys. This is the perfect gold home decor DIY. Well, if you're not a gold person, you can actually spray paint this silver, rose gold, black, white, whichever color that you want. And now for our final glam style home decor, I will be making a sunburst wall decor DIY. Okay, so this will be a gold wall decor DIY, and there we go. So for this one, I will not be using straws. However, I will be using skewer sticks, very similar. So I'm using the cardboard as a base on which I will be applying the skewers. So before I went ahead to do that, I used my ruler to mark the points on which I want to apply the sticks, just to make sure that they're all even and or evenly spaced out. So watch as I complete this. Sunburst or starburst wall decor is a very popular decorative piece, a very popular gold wall decor DIY. So this mirror wall decor, I would say, is actually Z Gallery inspired, because this is the kind of stuff you can find at Z Gallery, except you're not using skewer sticks, okay? So we're making ours here, we're doing it ourselves, and so let's go. So once I was done applying the bigger sticks, I used the smaller sticks to fill out all the gaps on the cardboard. Once I was done with that, I used my hot glue gun to apply the Mardi Gras beads onto the bigger sticks or the bigger skewers. So keep watching as I complete this. So once I was done applying this on all sides, I went ahead to spray paint this gold. And there we go. So once that was done, I used my A6000 glue to glue the mirror onto the center. And before actually gluing the mirror onto this, after I spray painted this, I actually missed that part. I did not record that. I used some Mod Podge over the beaded areas just to make sure that the beads hold firmly onto the sticks. And then I used this decorative embellishments that I got from the dollar store on the second piece of the skewers. These embellishments already have some glue to it. However, I still went ahead to use the A6000 glue on each of the skewers where I will be applying this before I went ahead to apply the embellishments. And here is our final look. Look at that, this blends perfectly with our previous mirror wall decor from last week's video. I am using this alongside with this starburst or sunburst wall decor. I love it. So just a quick recap, we went from this using drinking straws to making this our decorative tray DIY, as well as our candle holder makeover, and creating a set that ties together. I really love how everything ties together. Also, if you wish to know how I made that decorative flower vase you see, make sure to check out my other DIY videos. Please do let me know in the comments section which of these 3 pieces were your favorite. Also, do hit that like button if you did enjoy this video, and also the subscribe button and turn on notification bell so you do not miss a thing. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you for watching.